Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use gold leaf rub and buff. It's like a paint, but it's a paste form, and a little goes a long way. I'm going to transform some basic poster sized frames, and I like the sleek modern look. I also really like the price tag for this huge frame. It's also lightweight, which is great. It doesn't have glass, which is awesome because my house is kid friendly. But I wanted some large prints on my wall. But I also wanted it to have a bit of a vintage vibe. So I'm going to show you how great this stuff is. This was about $6, and it just really transforms wood, plastic, metal, almost anything except fabric. You just can't eat off of it, but you can transform a lot of great things. So let's get going. So these are my supplies, and once I have my frame unwrapped, now I'm going to attach the hardware. So I find the exact middle, which is 10 inches, and I'm just going to put a little mark there. That mark is where I'm going to line up the very center of my hanging hardware. There's a little dot on there. I don't know if you can see it, but it makes it so easy. Just make sure that you attach each hardware for each frame identically so that they all hang even. As you can see, this is just pretty basic frame, but once I remove the back and the plexiglass, then I'm going to be ready to apply the rub and buff. And I just use a finger protector because I don't really want it soaking into my skin. But my finger allows me to feel all the little nooks and crannies, and I can feel the smoothness. There's a bit of texture. And I mean, before you know it, you're going to be done. And then you just let it dry and then hang as usual. It is so easy. It really couldn't be more easy than that. And there's so many different colors to choose from, but I just love the gold leaf texture, and I like the black popping through just a little bit in some spots. So that's it. After I hung up my frames, now I'm just enjoying them. So check out Rub and Buff to update any of your frames, mirrors, or decorative pieces. Give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate it.